In this beautifully designed Japanese-style tiny home, form and function come together through a truly unique and attractive dynamic loft bed that redefines the use of vertical and horizontal space. Unlike fixed loft beds, this one is engineered to slide smoothly to the right or left across the open void in the center of the home. This mobility allows homeowners to reposition the bed based on need, clearing the area below for daytime or use, creating visual balance in the space. What makes this loft bed even more exceptional is its double functionality. Designed with reversible placement, it can be configured as a double bed with built-in cabinetry beneath or beside it. The bed's base include integrated cabinets or drawers, cleverly hidden yet easy to access, making use of every available inch. Whether used for storing linens, seasonal clothing, or books, the bed itself becomes a smart storage solution, all without disrupting the clean and minimalist aesthetic that defines Japanese interiors. Supporting the flexibility of the loft bed is a series of well-placed cabinets spread across various corners of the tiny home. No space goes unused. Under stair drawers, built-in wall niches, slim floor-level compartments, and flooring shelves all work together to maximize function without visual clutter. Many of these cabinets use sliding doors, fold-out mechanism, or hidden compartments, ensuring the space remains open, airy, and organized. The full cabinet layout allows the home to comfortably store daily necessities, from cookware and clothes to documents and tech accessories. While keeping everything neatly arranged, it's a perfect expression of Japanese efficiency, where minimalism does not mean sacrifice but rather smart, intentional living. Together, the sliding multifunctional loft bed and the clever cabinet system turn this compact space into a flexibility, elegant, and highly livable home, showing that even in a small footprint, great design makes a big difference.